In this section, we're going to study the equation of the lines. In the previous section, we studied the equation of the line in the standard form. And that is look like a times x plus b times y equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. Now, we also learned from the previous section to write the equation of the line, we can use the slope-intercept form. And it's written as y equal to m times x plus b, where m is a slope and b is the y-intercept. Let me show you the example. Look at example number 1. We're going to find the answer to find the slope and the y-intercept of the line, which is minus 3x plus y equal to minus 5. This is the equation of the line written in the standard form. Now, from this equation here, there's no way we can determine whether the slope or the y-intercept. So the best way to find the slope and the y-intercept, all we have to do is rewrite this equation to look like this form, which is the slope's intercept. So in other words, we have to solve for y. Now, so how do we solve for y? We plus plus 3x both sides. I have y equal to 3x plus 5. This is the equation of the line in the slope-intercept form. Now the 3 here tell us that the slope is equal to 3 and the 5 stands for b. That means the y-intercept is 0, 5. So that's how we find the slope and the y-intercept. There's another way to write the equation on a line, which is called a point-slope form. This form here looks like this: y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Now m is stands for slope. And the x1, y1 is stand for any point. On the line. So let me show you how to write the equation of the line by using this formula. If I look at example number 2, find the equation of the line whose slope is 5 and contains the point 4, minus 3. Write the equation in the slope-intercept form. Solution. Before I solve this problem, I want you to be aware that there's 3 ways to write the equation of the line. The first way is called the standard form. The second way is called slope-intercept form. And the third way is called point-slope form. Now, for the point-slope form and the y-intercept form, to write the equation, you need a point and a slope. That's all you have to do to write the equation of the line. You need a point and a slope. Okay? So, we have a slope is 5 and the point is 4 minus 3. So I'm using this formula here. I have any point here. This is not a special point. It's not a y-intercept. So I'm using this formula. And this formula here works for any point on a line. Any point. Now this formula here, this equation here, only work for the y-intercept. So you got a point and a y-intercept. You can use either this point, this formula, or you can use the previous formula. So I simplify the point. So I have y minus, this is the minus 3 is your y1 minus 3 equal to the slope is 5 times x minus x1 is this guy here, which is 4. So this is, let's simplify this. I have 3 here minus 4, like so. Now this is the equation of the line. This is the equation of the line. In point slope form. Okay, now they ask us to write the equation in the slope intercept. Okay, that means you have to solve for y. And to solve for y, I'm going to take 5 times x and 5 times minus 4. So I got 20. I distributed the 5 inside here. I have 5x, 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. To solve for y, I minus 3 both sides. So I have y equal to 5x minus 23. Now this is our answer. Okay, they asked us to write the equation in the slope intercept. So this is our answer. This is the equation. Right. The slope intercept form. Okay. Let's look at another example. Example number 3. Look at this example. Find the equation of the line passes through these 2 points. Write the equation in slope intercept form. Solution. To write the equation of a line, we need 2 things. We need a slope and a point. Okay. Could be any point on the line. All right. Now, the problem does not give us the slope, but we can find the slope because we have 2 points. To find the slope, all we need is 2 points. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I got 2 points here, so I'm going to pick this here is point 1. So therefore this is x1, y1. Here is x2, y2. So I have 4 minus 1 over 7 minus 2. Be careful. This minus 2 here is x1 right here. Here is x2 minus x1. Okay. So I have 3 over 9. Okay, the minus and the minus is become a positive, so I have 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. Simplify, I have 1/3. So now we have a slope and 2 points is enough for us to find the equation of the line. Now to find the equation of a line, I'm using this equation, this formula. Y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 stand for any point. We have 2 points. You can pick this point or that point. It doesn't matter which point you pick, the answer is always the same. So, and for the, I want to show that to you. I'm going to do two, I'm going to pick both of them so the way you can see that the answer is the same. Okay, so first I'm going to pick this one. So now I put y minus y1, in its case is 1, equal to slope is 1/3 times x minus x2 is minus 2. I'm going to simplify this, equal to 1/3 x plus 2. Now they want us to write the equation of the line in the slope intercept. That means we have to solve for y. So I'm going to simplify this by distributing the positive 1/3 in here. So 1/3 times x is 1/3 x, and then 1/3 times 2. Okay, so 1/3 times 2 is the same thing as 2/1. So when you multiply two fractions, it's 1 times 2 is 2 over 3 times 1 is 3. So here's 2/3. And then to solve for y, and a plus 1 both sides. So plus 1 both sides. We got y equal to 1/3 plus 2 over 3 plus 1. So let's simplify that. These two numbers here, we can simplify that. We have u red. We need to simplify this. Okay. Okay, so I put a 1 underneath. I have LCD is 3. So you got 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3, which is 5 over 3. It's holding here equal to 5 over 3. So the answer will be y equal to 1/3 x plus 5 over 3. That's the answer. Okay. Now let's compare this answer with do the same thing, but we're going to use this point for x1 and y1. Okay. So like this. Now I'm going to write in green. So let's copy the formula again. So now y, this stay the same. y1, this case is y1, we pick this point, which is 4. Our slope is 1/3, then x minus 7. Alright, now I'm going to simplify. I have 1/3 x minus, once again, 1/3 times 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. You multiply fraction, we just multiply horizontal like that. So you have 7 over 3. And then we simplify some more by plus 4 both sides. So now we're going to simplify this two number. So LCD here, I put the 1 over, so LCD is 3 here. So I got minus 7 over 3 plus 12 over 3, which is equal to 5 over 3. So now the answer will be y equal to 1/3 x plus 5 over 3. Exactly the answer we got by picking other point. Exactly same answer. So now you see that no matter what point you pick, the answer is the same.